Hello everybody! Look where we are today. We were invited to come to the residential marks again to share with you some new place that they were building at the time but is already finished. Would you like to come with us and see what is gonna be waiting for us inside of this building? Let's see it together. To join an interior of this empire, we needed some keys codes to join it, but let's see how could I get it. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of instructions to receive the code after you pay the renting. Of course, they will provide you the code to type on this panel and we're gonna have access to the key to join at this empire. Let's see together what's going on. Right after you join it by the gate, as you saw using your PIN code, you're gonna have this access. This is the entrance of the residential right now. You can see that it's a private entrance, so you don't need it to see anyone. You just go direct to your place. Let's do it together. Let's see what's going on there. So after you join it by the eagle, you're gonna see this place here. Look how beautiful it is. I like the view that they put here. There are a lot of greens and it's well organized. So let's see what is going on inside of the houses. As I shared with you at the beginning of this video, we came back to the residential marks and today we have an amazing invited to share with you everything about the family house. Last time we came here, probably you remember, we shared everything about the lofty rustical, but now we have the opportunity to share everything about family house. Are you curious to see what is going on behind this door? Let's go over it together. Come with me. Everyone, look at this kitchen. Let's get started by it. So right now I'd like to share with you this amazing kitchen, a tiny kitchen, let me call it by that. And I'd like to start it after the door. We already have a closet, which is a place to hang things, especially things that you use in your everyday to clean your house or to keep it cleaning. And besides, we have a place to hang your shoes, maybe to not join at the house with your dirty shoes or things like that. You can put it here. Okay, so that is the closet, which is a good one, have a big size to be honest. And let's jump for the sink. Here we have an amazing kitchen. So I already told you, let's start it by the sink. So here we have a faucet, which is able to provide hot and cold water. But besides we have a filter, then you can have a healthier water, so it's gonna be better. And look at this. They are providing a microwave for everyone who will join the houses. And of course, up right above the sink, we have the cupboards, which is a place to maybe put your foods, to restore your foods. And it's gonna be a right place to do it. As you can see, they already provide you a lot of gadgets, a lot of utensils that it's gonna be needed on the kitchen. That is cool. So, but it's not now. Let me share here that they are providing for the customers on a fridge, which is very rare to see on a tiny house nowadays, because it takes a lot of money to build it and to buy it. And right in front of the refrigerator, we have the stove and the electric oven right below. So that is very useful for a family, man. As I told you the last video, if you didn't saw yet, I really encourage you to see it. It's about the rustical loft. But here they provided even a bigger stove, and to me it's a very good part of the house because I like to cook my meals. I'm really into to make my own coffee, so that's gonna be awesome for a family also. Here they have a countertop. A countertop is a place to prepare your food. So I know probably already have in your home a dinner table or things like that, but this is like an American furniture. They usually prefer to have a countertop than a dinner table. It's very useful to a short place and to tiny places. As we are in a tiny house, there's nothing wrong with that. Honestly, it's a very charming place. Look at this. And now it's time to moving on to the living room. Guys, I just arrived at the living room, which is right beside of the kitchen, but look at this. I don't know if I already told you, but this tiny house, which is called family house, is built to support comfortable 4 people. So it can be a couple and 2 children, and which is my case. So I'm married and we have 2 children, so it's gonna be an amazing place to stay a few days or even a month because we have everything we needed for even for us and for our children. Look at this baby chair. Can you see it? I don't know where you will see a baby chair like this, but the tiny house provided by Residential Marks is able to provide this stuff, and it helps a lot for people who have little babies, to make them eat or things like that. And now it's time to see the bedroom. Let's see what's gonna be waiting for us. Wow, look at this, guys. I thought it would be a different place, but I'm really surprised. They are amazing. Look at what they did with this wall. I really love it. And look the size of it. I don't know if you can feel it, but I'm feeling that I'm not in a tiny house. I'm feeling a normal house, to be honest. But look at these places to hang your clothes. As I said, it's a family house, so that's why it's quite big. And I'm sure that you're gonna fit with even your clothes, but also the clothes of your children or your guests. So that's why it's called family house. It's not just for a couple, but you can stay here and 4 people, 4 persons, and it's gonna be awesome. But that is not at all. Before we finish the video, I'd like to share with you the bathroom. Let's see how big is that. Look at, guys, is amazing. You can have a shower because here we have a shower. We have, as I already told you, the toilet, but also the sink. Everything you need. Look at that. How cool is that place, guys? To have an amazing idea, to have a best idea, there is no other choice unless rented by Airbnb or rented by Booking.com. I'm sure you will love it. So come to here and enjoy yourself amazing days with your family and your friends at the tiny house, because it's an amazing place to stay and to rent nowadays. Tiny house is made by Residential Marks. Don't forget about it and share it with your friends because they will love it as well. It's a pleasure to be here. Hope see you in the next review of tiny houses with Residential Marks. Until there, see you later.